President Muhammadu Buhari has forwarded a letter to the Senate requesting for a speedy consideration and approval of the 2016 to 2018 medium-term framework expenditure. Reading the letter at plenary on Tuesday, Senate President Bukola Saraki says President Buhari expects usual cooperation of the Red Chamber in speedy passage and consideration of the request.
In accordance with the provisions of the Fiscal Responsibility Act 2007, I forward herewith the Medium-Term Expenditure Framework MTEF and the Fiscal Strategy Paper FSP for the 2016, 2017, and 2018 financial years for consideration and approval of the National Assembly. The document is, upon approval of the National Assembly, expected to be the basis for the 2016 appropriation estimate for presentation to the National Assembly. I thank the Senate in advance for the usual expected consideration of the submission. Yours sincerely, Muhammadu Buhari.